I don't know if y'all saw this, but this man literally followed me from the fucking L train all the way to the front door of my job. What's good, guys? Vlogmas day 4, I believe. Yes, I have rollers in my head. It's picture day at work today, so I decided to try a little bit. I did my eyebrows, got a cute little brown lip gloss on, Bogus Beauty Collection, Goddess, I believe. And I'm not sure what the vlog is gonna consist of today. I think I want to do like a hood vlog video. Show you guys New York, the hood of New York, because I live in Bed-Stuy. So it's like chill over here. But I want to show you guys a good look at Brownsville. That's what I really want to do. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Hood vlogs. Hell yeah, nigga. Oh, and I can't cuss that much because my grandma said I cussed too much in my first video. I was also highly inebriated as well. But yeah, I'm on the way to work. And I am just listening to the new Ariana Grande album, which sounds like it's pretty good so far. So come along with me, guys. Cute, nice, simple, pretty, really cute, not too dirty. It's New York, so everything's a little dirty. So I made it to the train station, and I literally just missed the train as soon as I was circling through the turnstile, which sucks. And my makeup actually looks extremely trash right now. I'm just noticing. This powder is ashy. I need a good powder, like. My hair's still straight too. I need a good powder. I still have like $80 in gift cards from Sephora that I haven't used. So, but I'm still deciding on the stuff that I want. So yeah. It's so cute. God. So I don't know if y'all saw this, but this man literally followed me from the fucking L train all the way to the front door of my job. Asked me what my name was, trying to talk to me. Welcome to Brownsville.
I'd have got to bring, if he would say you're a deuce for both, you want to say you charge you too much.
Corner store with it. Hey, hey, I got my coffee. Push it by the L train. Hello, push it. All right, guys, so we out the hood right now. One of the hardest blocks in Brownsville, Mother Gaston of Brownsville. That's what it looks like. Mad drug transactions going on right there. These guys on this block every day. Every day. So this is my setup. This is what I do when I'm at work. Set up out the hood. I talk to people. A lot of these folks I see all the time. And we out here just trying to help the community, you know? That's what we do out here. That's what we do. So something that I also forgot to mention is that it's literally cold as F out here right now.
When it's cold outside, I'm gonna keep my black ass in this house. Fuck today.
It's gotta be like, I don't know, 40 something degrees, but I'm out here doing my job, doing what I do, having conversations with my good old people that I always see out this hood. So I'm just like a regular Brownsville person these days. Everyone knows me. I'm wrapping up, and I actually have a lottery ticket. I just want to show you guys. Have you ever seen a laundromat that has a lottery place inside of it? I'm about to go cash my lottery ticket. Thank you, thank you. Lottery ticket in a laundromat. Only in Brownsville, only in Brownsville. Brownsville, motherfuckers. Oh, have a good day. I'm so cold, guys. I've got to make it back into the office. I can't even do it anymore. Whew. But yeah, this is one of the hardest hoods out in New York. Spanish joint. Whew, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Oh, shit. Bricks. That's the bricks, y'all. What y'all know about the PJs? Brownsville has 18 housing projects. This is one of them, Van Dyke houses. Oh my God, it's so cold. Oh. Dang, I tried. I met me a few people today. I met me a few people today. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, shit. My God, I'm tripping. Oh, shit. This is actually a really cute scarf. I want this. This is really cute. Me in New York, I'm always picking up shit off the side of the street. Whew. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. So cold. Alright guys, so I'm just getting off work. As you can see, Brownsville, it's actually pretty quiet at night. It's about 7:40, almost 8 o'clock right now. And as you can see, like, it's not many people. You saw this morning, this was filled with drug addicts, which normally stands right here, but they're all gone. Guess they all getting lit this hour. But yeah, not so bad at night. If you guys didn't know, people are actually more likely to get robbed between the hours of 5 and 8. So we're actually pretty safe right now. Let's just hope we maintain safeness on the way home. I don't usually take the train this late, but we're gonna do it today. Oh, let me see. So I don't know if you guys saw, but there was a man that let me in the train cause behind the train. directions and I was looking for it. I didn't have it. I felt so bad. And then the train came. He was like, oh my God, go. So you can catch it. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all that story. I almost missed the train. I was so out of breath by the time I got on it. But yeah, I've never been in Broadway Junction this late. But I'm not even scared because I got my taser and I got my stabber. Fuck niggas up with this shit. Break windows. So we Gucci. So I'm just gonna chill on the stairs while I wait for the train because motherfuckers be getting pushed on the train and stuff. So it's just safer to wait here. And you know, I didn't used to really think about this kind of stuff until I was talking to my upstairs neighbor and she was talking about like all the people that got pushed on the train tracks and like all the different taxis that she used to stay safe. So this is one of them. She said don't wait on the platform in case crazy people do stuff to you. So I'm just taking her advice. We have to deal with Brooklyn. This nigga wildin'. This nigga is really wildin'. I hope y'all got to see that. So that man was truly performing his heart out. So we're gonna go ahead and give him applause for that. Also, I just saw the most massive rat I've ever seen in my life. Which, I wish I would've got that on camera, but it probably has to do with the fact that all this fucking trash is right here. Wow, pose with the trash. Look at that, so much fucking trash. Welcome to New York City. Whew. Damn, y'all, it's brick out here and I ain't got my gloves. It's really, actually really sad. It's really sad.